Listen now. The supplementary lesson, which is incomplete while taking lessons for the half-yearly exam. Crossing the river, it's a supplementary from Unit 4. Crossing the river, you know the meaning of this thing. We have to go to the characters. What are the characters? Actually, this supplementary says if you have immense faith on the God, certainly whatever the things impossible can be possible to you. From this story, what's the moral we are learning? If you have an immense faith in God, God will fulfill all your achievements, whatever it may be. What are the things impossible? What all impossible can be made possible by God's power. Here is a lady whose name is Moti. She crossed the river without any use of boat by uttering the name of Lord Vishnu. So the river gives the place way for it to go to the particular place. This is the story. Let us see what are the characters in this. Characters in the play are she is the main character, Moti. She is milkmaid. Only two characters. Other one is Pundit. This is name of the thing. It doesn't mean that Pandit. It's Pundit is name of the person who is an eloquent speaker. He's a religious speaker. He used to give messages to the people. The Moti is a poor woman, was advised by the landlord to supply milk for the man, for whom Pundit. She too agreed, and she used to go every day she has to cross the river to reach the man. She has to go by boat only. The same like every day she used to go by the boat and give the milk. One day what Pundit said, suppose because I am taking a ritual ho means what? Like Yoth or Yagam like that we can say. I need the milk somewhat earlier. Why can't you come before the sunrise? So that is dawn, early morning. Then Moti said, it's possible, but only thing boatman has not come. Boatman, he has to ready to take me from there. I am reaching the shore in time only, but the boatman is coming every day late, so I could not come in time. Just for the fun, he said, Pundit said, no, it is possible. You don't have aimens and all. Aimens means what? Mantras. If you say the mantras, the river will give the place way to you, and you can cross. You can cross over the river. It's just said for the fun only. Is it believable? You have to cross the river by the boat, because river water is flowing. It's more than 1 man feet, so it is not easy to walk over the river. But for the fun, the Pundit said, it can be possible if you utter the name of Shiva, the river will give the place to you to walk. So she said, okay, I don't know this matter. So who said? Moti said, I don't know. But thank you for uttering this secret to me. Secret. Uttering means what? Telling the secret. Tomorrow I will be earlier. The same like she used to come and she used to give the milk, everything. So Pundit is not bothering about how she comes. Then after the particular days, after 40 days, 30 days like that, he said, he conveyed thanks to her for a tireless work. You are continuously giving milk and make my horse and all successful. So thank you so much, and convey my thanks to the boatman also. Because if there is no boatman, she could not cross the river. Clear? Then Yuti said, okay, Moti said, why should I say to boatman? Because it's not at all coming. I'm coming my own only. Then he got shocked. Who got shocked? Pundit got shocked and asked, then how can you come? Then Moti said, you only told me the way to cross over the river. By uttering Lord Vishnu's name, I just crossed the river and come to you. He has not believed her. Then, while she is returning from there, he just followed. She went to the river. She says the name of the Lord Vishnu. The river gives the place and she walks over the river. So on seeing that he was fainted. Who was fainted? Pundit was fainted. From that we came to know from this, what's the moral of this lesson? That is now detailed, supplementary. If you have a real faith in God, if you pray the God really with the full minded, certainly God will help you for your innocence and conditionless faith, abundant faith. Clear? Shall we go to the poem? Shall we go to the lesson? Supplementary. Take page number 112, Crossing the River. The celebrated Pundit had many disciples and admirers. Celebrated means what? All the people welcomed him. The Samiyarலாம் சொல்றோம் பாருங்க, like that. He got disciples and admirers. Disciples means students. Only two characters. Disciples, what I said? Students. And admirers, those who admire him. Followers. Okay? Among them was the landlord of the area who lived on the other side of the river. Third character is landlord. The landlord work house only. Who is working there? Moti is working. Okay, among the admirers, one of the admirer was the landlord. The landlord had commissioned poor milkmaid Moti to supply tumbler full of milk to Pundit every day in the morning. Not pot of milk, only tumbler full of milk. Only one tumbler of milk to do the yagas. The milkmaid discharged her duty faithfully day after day. Every day she is doing the work with faithful. Faithfulness means what? With full-minded, with loyalty. And she crossed the river by the help of the ferry boat. What's the boat they used to cross? Ferry boat, small boat. Ferry means small. She crossed the river with the help of the boatman, and returned home in the same way after delivering the milk at the Pundit's household. Often the Pundit himself received the milk. Moti prostrated before him. Prostrated means what? Falling flat. That is, she is getting blessings from him by falling into the feet. Okay. She did not fail in her duty even on some smoke days, and it retained heavily. Whatever the season may be, either it is a rainy day or smoke day, whatever the day, not even a single day she left. All the days she went and gave the milk to the Pundit. What a great privilege is to serve a great Pundit. She thought himself, it's a great privilege. Privilege means what? Honor to her. She would tell those toil who would sympathize with her for her continuous toil. Toil means what? Work. Everybody will feel sorry for her because every day she used to give one tumbler of milk to Pundit. So they said, oh, you are the poor thing. She said, no, it's a great privilege to me. The Pundit was eloquent speaker. He was fluent speaker. He can fascinated the gathering by his speech. Yeah, fascinated means what? On listening, on hearing his speech, everybody will be fascinated. They don't want to move from there. Whenever he gave a discourse, hundreds of people gathered to listen him. Whenever he is given a message, people will listen. The milkmaid too made it a point to stand behind the audience. She also stood sometime and listened. Not she understood much, but she was sure that Pundit was speaking about God and truth and similar tough and complex matter. What she thought, whatever it may be, he was talking about God and simple substance, simple matter as well as tough matter. How much knowledge the man must be possessing to hold so many people spellbound for hours together. Even he has given the lecture for so many hours, the people are sitting with pin drop silence. So she was amazed. She amazed how the man can tie the people like this by his speech. Okay? Only one who is very near to God and truth can command such wisdom, she thought. So because he can control all the people, more than 3 hours, 4 hours means really got the God power. Who thought like that? Moti thought like that. She was happy that she made a humble contribution towards the Pundit physical well-being by regularly supplying pure milk. So the man is physically strong because of Moti. She felt like that because every day she is giving tumbler, either the season may be rainy or smoky. Even if the landlord fails to pay me for the milk, and my labor, I will not fail in my duty. She resolved. Resolved means what? She determined, she decided. Even the man has not given the money for the milk. As well as every day she used to go, no, father, she has to pay the labor money. Both he has not paid also. She decided to work for, decided to give the milk to the Pundit. One day, while receiving the milk, the Pundit told Moti, woman, can you bring the milk at the least an hour before the sunrise for a month? What he asked, at least 1 month before, for 1 month, you have to come. For example, 5 o'clock the sun rises means you have to come at 4 o'clock. Can you give before 1 month? I am under a vow for performing such a ritual for which I need the milk that early. He said what? He is doing some yagas. For that he need the milk somewhat early. That is before sunrise. What she said? I will do as you say, O master. The milkmaid assured him enthusiastically. But the next day, by the time she reached the Pundit's house, it was already daybreak. Sun rose. Then he asked the apologist because what she assured, she was before the sunrise. So now she came after the sunrise only. Pardon me, master, for my lapse. Lapse means what? Late. But what could I do? Said the milkmaid apologetically. I was present on the bank of the river long before the sunrise. But the boatman did not turn up that even though I had informed him of the need for me to cross the river. But Moti has informed him already, so she has to go early. Then too the boatman has not come. He said, since the river is straight, it would not be possible for him to ply the boat in the darkness. What is in the darkness? I cannot row the boat. So I will come late only. The boatman replied, this is. You could not cross the river without a boatman. Who asked? Pundit asked. I wonder, how then mystics say that one could cross even the ocean of life uttering the name of Vishnu. Then he said, okay, our mythology and all said, by telling the name of Vishnu, we can cross our life. Then can't you cross the river? He asked like that. Even life can be crossed by using the word of Vishnu means simple river only. No, why can't you cross? He asked. Commented the Pundit jokerly. Jokerly means what? Just for joke. Sure that the poor woman hardly understand the import of his wise observation. Well, sir, nobody told me that. Said Moti in murmur. Oh, this is a secret, but nobody told me. That is the secret, said Pundit once again, jocularly. But the pious and great sage like you could never know such secrets. Thank you, sir, for passing me, said Moti. Moti said what? Thank you, sir, for telling me the secret. Only pious persons like you. Pious means what? That is no fault at all on them. Such persons only know this secret, she said. The Pundit could not check himself from bursting into a loud laugh at the woman's naivety. Naivety means what? Innocence. Naivety means innocence. He just said for the joke only, but the lady believed it entirely and she said innocence. CENT only, innocence. He was laughed. After she went, he laughed like anything. Days passed. The period of Pundit's work came to an end. He told the milkmaid, Moti, I must say that you have served me every well. I appreciate the pain you took in getting up the small hours and milking the cow and delivering the milk to me at dawn. Because 4:30 she has to be there, means she has to got up early. She has to milking the cow and get the milk. Then she has to come from her house to Pundit's house. He said, I bless you. Moti bowed to him. So, sir, from tomorrow, I report as before soon after the sunrise. Is that all right? She asked. Okay, shall I come after sunrise? Fine, said the Pundit. And then he remembered the boatman. And he said, Moti, he said, tell the boatman how pleased I am with him. Even you say my thanks to him also, because with the boatman's help only you have come in time. But now only Moti said the secret, that boatman has not at all turned up. But sir, I never bothered him, knowing will that he could not come that early, said Moti. Even I told him the fact, knowing that means what? Even I said he has to be early, he is not coming. So I am not bothering about him, I am coming my own. Then he asked, who then piled the boat for you? Boat? Why, sir? I did not need any boat. Who said? Moti. How then did you cross the river? Good God, muttered Moti. You, who can remember the hundreds of pages of scriptures, forgot the secret you passed on to me the other day. What she said? She asked, what, sir? You are learning hundreds of pages together in one day. How can you forget the secret what you told me? Then he asked, he just surprised. Oh, the pundit, and he asked, what do you mean? Asked the pundit. Intrigue. Intrigue means what? Curiosity. What the secret I said? He doesn't know. He just asked what I said. I just uttered the name of Vishnu and walk across the river. What she said? By telling the name of Vishnu, I crossed the river. The water remains ankle deep for me. When she said the name of God, the water, no, it shrinks into the ankle. Ankle means what? Where we are using our thing, no. Where we are putting our anklets and all. That is till that last. In Tamil we have to say Kanakal. That is near our palm. And the அளவுக்கு தான் water இருந்திருக்கு. Okay, when she said the God name, the long river, the deep river shrinks into a handful. Clear? Then it's a biggest shock to the man. And he said, ankle deep. But it's not the river in speed. It's not the fact that even the hottest summer there is enough water in the river for boats to ply. Asked Pandit. Is it possible even the summer season also, the river is flooded with water only with the help of boat only we can cross over the river, cross across the river. But I applied the secret. Moti was surprised that Pundit had totally forgotten his own secret. She was amazed to say that what Pundit said. He only told the secret to the lady. Oh, I see, he said. Who said? The man said. So now you remember, said Moti, feeling happy. From tomorrow I'll take the recourse of the boat. Let me apply the secret for the last time while returning today. What she said, okay, I'm returning today, I'm going home. I'll apply the secret and I'll go. Tomorrow onwards I'll come by boat. Moti stepped out onto the road. She was stepped down from the house of the Pundit and coming to the road. Then Pundit was not at all believed her and he wants to know what's happening. It was foggy dawn. No doubt the woman was kidding him. Kidding means what? Mocking. Kindle pandranga. Concluded that Pundit and followed her tiptoe. Tiptoe means what? Without hearing the noise, he was just followed her. Upon reaching the river bank, Moti put her empty pot down and with folded hands paid obeisance to the river. Okay, she went near the river bank. River bank means the place where sand is there. No, after that only we can. Even seashore also we are going, and sand irukku, that daandi da namakku enga porom, kadalukku porom, like that. She was standing there, keeping the pot down, and she was praying. Then picking up the pot, she stepped into the water. So, struck dumb, the Pundit saw her crossing the river, walking with ease. Very easily, we are walking on the road. It's the same like she was walking on the river. The river gave the way to her. The Pundit almost fainted. Fainted means what? You know that, Struck dumb means what? He could not talk, speechless. While demonstrating the miracle of faith, the story also draws a contrast between the scholarship and the innocence. So the God has given the scholarship for the innocence. But which remains there, a theory and the knowledge what works through one's complete faith and surrender to Lord. So we have the complete faith and surrender to Lord means certainly God will save you from any dangers. Okay. This lesson is over, children. In the next class, I'll give the question and answers. Okay.